Hi and welcome back to Dunster House TV. Today we're visiting Millbrook Golf Club to watch a couple of chaps attempting to be the next Tiger Woods. Oh no, wait, we're here to look at their garden buildings. Well, this bunch aren't going to need their spare trousers today because they're unlikely to get a hole in one. Oh, I couldn't help it. Right, welcome back. Let's go and meet their club manager, Rob.
Okay, so my name's Rob Brightman. I'm the manager at the club. I was the pro prior to that, so I've been here about 15, 16 years in total, so I'm kind of part of the furniture now. Well, you seem ecstatic about that. The least you could do is crack a smile, Rob. Yeah. Ah, there you go. So a group of members put them up during lockdown, during the first round of lockdown, which was, March 2020. Right? Is that your final answer? Well, hey, here he is, coming in strong, taking that corner nice and smooth. Is he in for a win? Yes, he is! The buggy structure has meant that our buggies not only are put away, so therefore are out of the elements every evening, which means obviously from a longevity point of view, they're going to last longer. The main thing for me though was the security of the buggy, that we can shut the doors and padlock the doors and know that they're going to be safe. The starter shed has had a huge impact. Not only does it look good up there, we're able to display a lot of information that we need to display to golfers before they start, and that's key. All Millbrook members look like they had a good summer. We're now just left with an empty fridge. And the gazebo on the decking has been invaluable for the last 2 years, especially during COVID times when you could only sit outside to eat and drink. We were able to utilise it as a bar and a barbecue area. How lucky are you? You got to dodge the wife even through a global pandemic. Did you enjoy taking a wander around Millbrook Golf Club? Because we sure did. If you'd like some inspiration on garden buildings and how you can transform your garden, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you never miss an episode. See you next week, chaps.